Well, hello everybody. We are going to discuss 7.6, which is similar to the homework that you turned in this week. This is dealing with common logs. And then once this one's done, I'll upload another one dealing with 7.7, and that will be using natural logs. So to do 1 and 3, you just type log 6 in your calculator and you get 0.7782. And if you type in log 1.1, you get 0.0414. And that would be the answer for 1 and 3. If we continue up, we want to solve each equation and round to the nearest 10,000th, which is 4 decimal places. Now, this particular one, you got a couple ways you can do it. You can switch forms or get like bases. I'm going to get like bases because we did several switch forms earlier today. So this would be 3 to the x equals 3 to the 5th. Drop your bases, so I get x is 5. The other way I can do it is I can switch forms. So if I switch forms, it's going to be log, my base is 3, I go across the equal sign to get my number, and that equals x. If you remember, this is called change of base. So when we do that, you're going to take log of the number divided by log of the base. So you get log 243 and divided by log 3. And what this does, this changes the base of 3 to each of them a base of 10. So then I can use my calculator. So I go log 243, make sure you put the parentheses around your 243, divided by log 3, and I end up with 5, which is what I got when I did like bases. Number 8, I can't get like bases because 7 to the second power is 49. Nothing will give you 15. So you have to switch forms. Or the other way you can do it is take the log of each side. Okay? I really, on this particular form, I don't do this. I stick to what we were doing. So if we switch forms, we get log, our base is 7, go across the equal sign to get 15, and that equals y. So you're going to type in log 15 divided by log 7. And you get 1.3917, and that would be the answer for number 8. I'm going to still do the same thing on number 11. I'm going to switch forms. So we're going to go log. The base is 7.6. Go across the equal sign, gets 57.2. And that equals the exponent, which is d plus 3. So we're going to go log 57.2, which is the number, over log 7.6, which is the base. So log 57.2, close your parenthesis, divided by log 7.6, and that gives me 1.9952, and that equals d plus 3. Subtract 3 from each side, and I get d equals negative 1.0048. And that would be the answer for number 11. Okay, if we continue up, this is just change of base. So this is what you're just typing into the calculator. So number 14 is going to be log 7 divided by log 3. Remember the number over the base. So log 7, close the parentheses, divided by log 3, I get 1.7712. And that is your lesson on common logs. So stay tuned. The next lesson I'm going to upload, so we'll have a common logs lesson and a natural logs lesson will be the next one coming.